take a minute to learn about Schoology announcements. You can quickly turn a course update into an announcement. The announcement will then appear at the top of both the course updates page and the materials page. So in the updates area, type your regular update post here. So I also added a little an image here. I just copied and pasted the image and then resized it to fit better. In the lower right, next to the post button, click on this little arrow here and select the bell icon. And I'm going to uncheck this one. If you want to learn more about this icon, check on the other video that I've linked in the video description below. All right, so by clicking on that, this turns it into an announcement. Now I'll click Post, and you can see the announcement is here at the top of the page. It also is in the feed, and if we check the materials page, you'll see it here at the top as well. So it's going to remain there until you remove it. When you're ready to remove it, click here at on the Remove link. This Remove link is only available to teachers, so students cannot remove it. So it's just a handy way to keep important announcements at the top of the page in view of your students. When I click on Remove, it disappears from the top here, also gone from the materials page, but it remains here in the feed.